people, my name is Pete and this is a Pilot 520 rebuild, the Hooligan. In this video we're making the doors up for the seat boxes that we made up in the last video. I couldn't run it all because my SD card were full, so I couldn't really fit them on. So I'll go through the process, same again, out kitchen doors, waxed up, filled in with plasticine and then gel coated and resin and fiberglass. Put a couple of strengtheners in. So on with the video. This is part 2 of the boat seat boxes. Made them up out of fiberglass, plywood, plenty of resin. Now we're on with the actual doors. I'll just show you the mould. It's one of them again. It's from the old kitchen unit situation. Skip diving, you can't go wrong for something free. This is a mould. I've made it 10mm less than the opening of the door, so it gives it 5mm aside. On one side I'm going to use a piano hinge stainless steel, and on the other side it's a locking clasp. So we're going to put some strength in the bottom. We're going to put some plywood, which is marine ply, in the bottom, 1/2 inch, and on one side I'm going to put another 1/2 inch marine ply. That's to set the screws for the lock. So we've radiused the corners with the good old plasticine again, and it's been acetoned and waxed, 2 layers of wax. It's just turtle wax, car wax. So now I'm going to get some gel coat on and let it go off for an hour, and then start laying up. Back with you then. Right, here we go. Mould's all gel coated up. So give it about an hour, hour and a half, and we get started laminating up. I'll get back to you when we start laminating up. Right, gel coat's gone off. This first piece of woven I put in, I'm just going to resin that up, and I'll get 2 or 3 more layers of chopped strand in, and a board, and another layer, and that should do it. I've cut these to size before we start, it makes it easier. So I'll get back to you when these are in. Right, here we go. So 4 layers of matting later, plenty of resin, chopped strand and woven. Put the strengthening down that side, a hinge, and we've got a 1/2 inch marine ply on the front face. So when that's dried out tomorrow, we'll take it out of the mould and we'll see what it looks like. Right, here we are, 48 hours later, all dried up, solid as a rock. There's that piece there, it's a piece of timber I put in, so it'll hinge on it on the outside. I'm going to use stainless steel piano hinge with stainless steel screws, and I'm still waiting for it clipping locks to come. So anyway, we'll see if we can get this out of mould in one piece. Right, let's see if we can get this out of the mould without damaging anything. I'm going to save this mould for the next one to the other side. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said before, sometimes it actually brings the melamine off. I should peel off. Yeah, you'll clean off all that. next one. Come up absolutely perfect. Right, that's the door trimmed down, fitting reasonably flush. I'm going to grind that back slightly wood if need be. Now I'm going to get a stainless hinge on here, on this edge, or that edge. It'll probably be that edge. I want them to open towards the side of the boat. So we'll get a stainless hinge in there and let's see how it fits. Like I say, I have a couple of clips coming. There's like a spring clip that lock it. So let's get this hinge in. Right, there's your piano hinge in. Stainless steel screws. I actually had to pilot the holes with a 2mm drill bit. Thinking about it, I might have gone a bit heavy on layup. There's 4 layers there. Right, here we go. Right, there's your hinge on, all the way down. Remember, on this side, on the right hand side here, we actually put a strengthener, and on the back of it here, there's another strengthener, so screws don't pull out. More than happy where hinge has got on. I've just got to wait for my spring clips to come for it lock. As you see, more than happy with it. We've got a nice even gap all the way around. Put my spring clip down here, lock. There's another strengthener behind you, remember? And that's it. Then, before I put that on, I think we'll get it all cleaned up, get this plasticine off the edges, get it all buffed up. This bottom needs trimming off, this lip. That needs grinding back to glass because we're going to laminate over the top of that to the floor. Tomorrow, hopefully, we can get a second one in mould. So that's it for now. I'll get back to you when we put clip. Right, that's the end of this video. In the next one, we're probably shortening the bunks for the cab. If you remember, I actually shortened the cab, so the bunks need shortening as well. So that's probably what will happen in the next video. The actual door lids for the top of the bunks was actually just pieces of plywood. So I think we're going to laminate a couple of fiberglass ones up. And I need a fiberglass hatch for the front well where the anchor usually sits inside. So that's the end of this video. If you like and subscribe, smash the bell.